How do you connect your JBL Flip 7 to your Android smartphone? How do you pair them using Bluetooth, but also how to use the JBL app that will allow you to have access to many different hidden features. So let's get started right away. Step number one, you're going to turn on the speaker and you're going to press this Bluetooth button during 3 seconds to put the speaker in pairing mode. Release. And once it is blinking, it means it's in pairing mode. So take your phone and we need to go into the Bluetooth settings. So I'll go here, connection, Bluetooth, and right over here, I will click on JBL Flip 7. Click pair, and both of them are connected. You can start using them together by streaming music or even watching a movie. If you want to have access to all the hidden features though, you need to download the JBL Portable app on the Google Play Store. So go ahead and install the app. Open the app. It will automatically detect that the speaker is paired with your Android phone. Click Get Started, Accept, Allow. Wait a few seconds. It will search for your speaker. And here you go, it has found my Flip 7. With the app, you'll be able to know exactly how much battery is left in the unit with the battery percentage, not only with a very small battery indicator over here. Then you have the equalizer. This is a feature not available directly on the speaker. So you can play a song and at the same time change between all these presets. You can even have a custom equalizer, which is very practical if you like to fine-tune how your music sounds. If you go back, you have Playtime Boost, which is a feature if you intend to use the speaker for a long period of time at full volume, like in a party. That's why it's called Party Boost. You can also pair two of these speakers together to get a stereo sound. Finally, if you have a software update pending, you're going to get an announcement on the top over here in orange telling you that you can update your speaker, and it will tell you what features have been added or what has been improved. So the app, in my opinion, is very important. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below if you found my video helpful, and I will see you in the next video.